The Food Service Exchange presents
The Magic Chef 3.5 cubic foot compact refrigerator in a stainless steel look has a sleek and space-saving design, making it the perfect addition for your office, dorm, or rec room. Form follows function thanks to its versatile storage options. With its easy clean, adjustable glass shelves, this refrigerator can be configured multiple ways to meet your needs. Its integrated, tier-doored shelves easily accommodates taller or more frequently used items, including a 12-ounce beverage can dispenser for convenient grab-and-go. A full-width freezer compartment caps off the interior with an adjacent Ready Select control dial for quick temperature adjustments to the fridge. Plus, it's Energy Star qualified, which means year-round energy savings. So, whether you're college-bound or glued to the TV watching your favorite show or sports team, this refrigerator is the perfect score.